Harga telur di Amerika Serikat sempat meningkat sekitar 60% sepanjang 2022. Selain gangguan rantai pasok, analis juga mencermati perbakan flu burung.
We lost about 13% of our total national laying flock due to this disease. So you remove that many birds from the market, it's going to have an impact on prices. I think a lot of people intuitively think if we lost, roughly 13% of all the egg-laying birds last year, then prices should only increase about 13%. But that's not the way it works.
Pada saat yang sama, konsumen tetap meminati telur apakah untuk direbus atau digoreng untuk sarapan, atau bahkan dicampur sebagai bahan baku makanan lain.
There's not many good substitutes for eggs. So as consumers, we tend to want to continue buying eggs even as prices rise. So it takes a pretty significant price jump to convince enough consumers to cut back to reach the number of eggs that are actually being produced at the moment. So as a result, a small reduction in supply from bird flu can result in a much larger increase in prices.
Tapi setelah memuncak jelang akhir 2022, analis mencatat harga di tingkat grosir juga mulai menurun.
We've come down off those peaks. We're back to levels we were in November. So my hope and expectation is as long as we can keep bird flu out of the barns, that prices will start to come back down for consumers here in the next few weeks and months.
Harapan serupa diungkapkan peternak dan pemasok telur.
The hope is that, as we get into the summer months, we will see, repopulation kind of fully get us back to the levels that, we need to be to balance supply and demand. But there is a lot of uncertainty regarding, again, the spring migration and birds, moving back up north and flying over the country, and the amount of AI that they've been finding in the wild bird population. So there's a lot of uncertainty, and we're really not sure, what the next 3-4 months are going to look like.
Untuk menekan risiko flu burung, banyak peternak memperketat prokes bagi pekerja hingga menggunakan teknologi guna mengusir burung liar yang menjadi sumber penularan tahun sebelumnya, menurut pantauan The American Egg Board, organisasi yang menggalakkan konsumsi telur.
Our egg producers here have not had the bird flu. Their biosecurity is very high. They're very conscious of the flying ducks, which bring the disease to their ranches.
Perbakan flu burung selama 2022 menyebabkan dimusnahkannya sekitar 58 juta unggas, termasuk diantaranya ayam petelur, ayam potong, dan juga kalkun. Ini lebih parah dibandingkan perbakan flu burung sebelumnya pada 2015, yang menyebabkan dimusnahkannya sekitar 50 juta unggas. Dari Washington DC, saya Nova Purwadi dan tim VOA.